Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just received the new Chanel 31 Le Rouge collection, and this is the most expensive lipstick I have ever purchased in my life. So whether or not I'm going to regret or love this purchase, we will find out very soon. This is a very exclusive lipstick. It's very different and unlike anything else that Chanel has created or released in the past. This is a very limited type of lipstick case that looks extremely different. I ended up purchasing the Coffret set, and this is exclusive to boutiques only, and it includes a limited edition wooden Chanel box and the lipstick itself, 2 refills, and 2 pouches. Let's get into the wooden box. And this does retail for $405. Again, this is a very expensive collection, and I completely agree with everyone that thinks this is insane, because even I do. All right, so here is the box, and it is made out of wood, very good quality. And you can see there's hinges here. And just on the back, it does have kind of a felt type of feeling to it, very luxurious. Wow, that looks beautiful. And it does have a little mirror, and then it does come with a cloth as well to clean it. And this is where all of the lipsticks would go. And of course, you can remove this and kind of use this later as a jewelry box. I am really impressed by how well this is made. I think this is a great piece to own, especially if you love Chanel. I really am impressed. I think this is very well made. The shades that I really wanted initially were 2, 4, and 8, but the store that I normally order from did not have 8. They didn't receive it, but they did have number 5. So I did end up getting 2, 4, and 5. So first we have the lipstick itself, and I did purchase this in number 2. Okay, and comes like so. Oh wow, this is so beautiful. And for those that saw pictures online and felt that this collection kind of looked tacky, unlike Chanel, it doesn't look high-end, if you see it in person, it really is so beautiful and a work of art. It does have quite a bit of weight to it, and it feels really luxurious to hold in your hand. Okay, so the lipstick is also magnetic, and here we have the lipstick. This one is number 2. All right, before I swatch anything or try on anything, I am going to go ahead and unbox everything. So let's go ahead and put this back. And then we have the other 2 shades, which is number 4 and 5. And these are just the refills, and you can't really open these or turn them. You actually do need the case to open these. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox everything else, and then we're going to get back to the lipsticks. That does come with 2 pouches. And this is the first pouch. And this is a very beautiful quilted black pouch. Again, very well made. Now this isn't lambskin or anything. It's just a regular quilted pouch. Okay, and the lipstick just fits perfectly in there. So gorgeous. And this is the second pouch that comes with the set. Oh, okay, so I got another black one. I thought this was going to be white or silver. I didn't know that they also had a black. I'm kind of disappointed. I really wanted the white or silver. I might actually call the boutique and see. Maybe they didn't receive the white or the silver one, and they ended up sending me the black. I mean, it still does look really beautiful, but for paying such a high price, I mean, you really want what you were expecting. And they still look beautiful. I mean, black is just a very traditional type of color for Chanel. And I actually do prefer this case over the quilted one, just because I feel like the quilted one does have a felt type of feel to it. And this is more leather feeling like. Put that right in here. I mean, the black does look really nice, but I felt that the white and the silver just looked really special. And this one does still look really pretty, but I might give them a call just to see if they did get the white or the silver one. And then my essay did include some extra samples. So I have a Sublimage eye cream. Let's see, we have the Noir Allure mascara, which I have been loving, by the way. And let's see, this is the eye makeup remover. Oh, he included quite a few things in here. I have the Eau de Parfum in Jersey and 1932. I haven't tried Jersey before. And then this is 31 Rue Cambon. Also just a little bit of a sample that I see that he filled up for me, and I haven't actually smelt this one either. I see one more item in here, and this is unexpected either. I feel like this whole entire box has very unexpected things in here. Okay, so this is Chanel Beauty. I actually don't know what this is. Alright, looks like some sort of bag. Aw, this is actually really cute. It has Chanel Beauty kind of written on there. It's really thick. I think this would be perfect for my skincare, especially when I travel. It's really thick. Kind of feels like a towel. Yeah, this would be really perfect for my skincare. Oh, that's so cool. I love when I receive kind of extras with my order. Just a close-up of the full set together. So here we have the box, and then inside we have the lipstick with the case, as well as a pouch, and then the 2 refills. I don't intend on using this as a jewelry box. I will most likely go ahead and display the lipstick just like this in the box itself. Looking at the set coming all together, I'm actually really glad that my essay sent me the black pouch instead of the silver or the white. I feel like it looks so beautiful presented like this with everything else, because everything is just so white and silver, and that little bit of black just brings that chicness to the entire set. Okay, so I just zoomed you guys in. Now we're going to get into the swatches and try on of these lipsticks. I really do love this case. It is just very high-end and just luxury. It just feels so nice to hold. Now I'm going to start off with this one. This one is number 2. Now the lipsticks don't smell like gardenia. I thought because they have gardenia oil in them, I thought maybe they would have a lingering scent of gardenia, but they don't. They don't actually smell like anything at all, which I know most people would prefer. Let's go ahead and swatch this one. Okay, these are very smooth, and they are supposed to be nourishing to the lips. This is a very pretty color. So this is shade number 2, and this one is described as an orange wood between pink orange and coral pink, a subtle semitone that pays homage to the mid-season collections reinvented at each Chanel cruise show. And I have to say, I think this is the prettiest coral I have ever tried. Usually I steer away from corals, but when I saw swatches of this, I feel like this was a different type of coral and something that I would actually wear. It does have a little bit of shimmer to it. It's very subtle, but it definitely is there. But other than that, I think it is a beautiful shade, and I'm so glad I picked this one up. All right, so I'm going to switch shades, and this one is number 4. Oh, really pretty. And this is shade number 4, such a stunning red. And this shade here is described as a fresh, luminous red inspired by the fluidity and lightness of the chiffons, silks, and veils worked on in the Fleur workshop on Rue Cambon. This is just such a stunning shade. Again, really happy that I purchased this one. Now for shade number 5, and this is the shade that I didn't really anticipate on getting. It also looks like it's another red. I was really hoping I could get shade 8, which looks more of a pink type of shade, but let's go ahead and try this one. Here we have shade number 5. This is definitely a very deep red, and this shade here is described as a deep vermilion red, a nod to the first gesture of the seamstresses and models who created Gabrielle Chanel's arrival with a stroke of red. This is definitely really stunning. I didn't anticipate the shade, but I do love it. I think it's really a gorgeous red, and I thought that 4 and 5 would look very similar, but they actually look different, and I'm really happy about that. Those are all 3 of the shades that I chose. I definitely think that they are all so beautiful. I don't think you can really go wrong with any of the shades. All of the shades that they chose were really stunning, but I do wish that I was able to purchase a more pink or fuchsia shade. I think those pink shades are stunning as well, but otherwise I do love each and every single one of the shades that I purchased. This case really is beautiful, and if you are thinking that it looks like a L'Oreal lipstick that you get from any pharmacy, rest assured it really isn't. It has such a very nice and luxurious weight to it. It really looks so much better in person than it does online, and just everything about it is a work of art. As for the formula of the lipstick, I didn't really feel that there was much of a difference between this formula and the regular Le Rouge formula. They're both very hydrating. I mean, Chanel does create some of the best formulas when it comes to lipsticks. I really do love the Le Rouge formula, and this one feels very much like that. It's very hydrating, very soothing. When you apply it on, it really glides on the lips. It is very beautiful, but I don't feel that it's any different to their other formulas, even though this does include the gardenia oil, which is very nourishing to the lips. I do still wish that it had that gardenia scent, just something that makes us feel that this is a different formula. I do wish that the price was less expensive. I feel like especially the refills should have been comparable to just a regular Chanel lipstick, because they don't have a case. So if anything, if they were around the $50, $60 price range, much like a regular lipstick, the case itself is the spectacle of this collection. So I do understand that even though this is a work of art, sure, it could have been more expensive, but for the refills to be at the price that they are, I don't think it's justifiable. If the price of the refills was less expensive, I most likely would have purchased a few more refills, just because I really think that the shades of this collection are absolutely stunning. But I am happy with what I purchased. I probably won't be purchasing any more refills, and I am happy that I did purchase this collection. I think for me at least, being a Chanel fan and a fan overall of beauty, I think this is something that I will cherish in my collection for years to come. That is my review of Chanel's new 31 Le Rouge lipstick. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope it was helpful for you if you were interested in this collection. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.